This is Daily Tech Now, where we cover breaking news in the tech industry every day. In today's news, Zoom partners up with OpenAI to bring new AI features to its platform. Microsoft revamps its Teams apps to be faster and more efficient. Lucid recalls 637 of its Air sedans due to a faulty switch, and more. Zoom has announced a new partnership with OpenAI to expand the use of artificial intelligence on its platform. The new features include AI-generated summaries, message drafts, and more, all powered by Zoom IQ, AI-powered assistant. With this new partnership, Zoom IQ will now have the ability to create chapters and highlights for recorded meetings, catch up on missed meetings, and summarize threads in Zoom Team Chat. Additionally, Zoom IQ will let users generate responses to their colleagues using AI, similar to ChatGPT bot that's coming to Slack. Apart from expanding its AI capabilities, Zoom has also added new features to make it more of an all-in-one productivity app. Zoom's new calendar and mail app let users access their schedules and emails directly from Zoom. The mail app allows users to connect their Gmail or Microsoft 365 address, while the new calendar integration lets them view third-party calendars straight from Zoom. Lastly, Zoom has added a new feature called Huddles, which is a video-enabled virtual co-working space that allows users to hop into a quick video call to ask questions or chat with colleagues. The company says this feature is available globally for users to request early access. Microsoft has released a new version of its Teams app that has been completely overhauled to be faster, simpler, and more flexible. It is available in a preview for businesses to try out before it is rolled out more widely later this year. According to the CVP of Engineering at Microsoft Teams, the new app is twice as fast as the previous version while using 50% fewer resources. Installing the app should be 3 times faster, launching or joining meetings should be 2 times faster, and it should consume 50% less memory and 70% less disk space. The new app uses Microsoft's Edge WebView 2 technology and a focus on the Fluent Design language for user interface improvements. The entire video architecture and rendering pipeline has been overhauled, and the new app is the foundation for Microsoft's future work with its Copilot assistant and other AI-powered features on Teams. In addition, Microsoft has launched a public preview of 3D avatars for Microsoft Teams, allowing users to participate in meetings without being on camera or having a webcam. The avatars animate based on vocal cues and can be customized with options. They are also working with Teams emoji reaction, for example, raising a hand or giving a thumbs up. Microsoft will roll out the avatars broadly in May and plan to use them in 3D meetings with its collaborative platform Mesh, which features virtual avatars and a VR experience in Teams. In other news, luxury EV maker Lucid Motors has issued a recall for 637 of its Air sedans due to a faulty switch in its electrical motor that could cause a loss of power. The issue is with the electrical activated switches called contactors that could unexpectedly open and cut off power to the electric motors. Lucid began investigating the issue in May of 2022 and discovered that 232 customer vehicles exhibited double-digit signatures at least 5% of the time, which provided a greater than 99.999% confidence interval for capturing affected contactors. Lucid is advising its customers to bring their vehicles into a service center where the company will update the software and replace the contactor switches free of charge. This is the third major recall for Lucid since it began delivering its Air sedans to customers in October of 2021. The company built just 7,000 vehicles last year amidst ongoing manufacturing and supply chain challenges, but expects to make between 10,000 and 14,000 vehicles in 2023. Twitter has filed a DCMA takedown request with GitHub, asking the code hosting site to remove a repository containing Twitter's proprietary source code. The DCMA takedown petition also asks GitHub to help identify the user behind the repository, requesting disclosure of their personal information. It is unclear which part of Twitter's source code was leaked on GitHub or how long it was available. GitHub took down the repository containing the proprietary source code, but it is unknown if any users accessed it before it was removed. Twitter executives recently learned about the leak after conducting an internal investigation that suggested the perpetrator left the company last year. Finally, the Commodity Futures Trading Commission, or CFTC, has filed a lawsuit against Binance CEO and his crypto exchange empire, accusing them of violating U.S. trading and derivative law. The CTFC alleges that Binance had an ineffective compliance program and knowingly broke the law. The agency charges Zhao and Samuel Lin, Binance's former chief of compliance, for allegedly aiding and abetting Binance's violation. The lawsuit addresses internal conversations alleged by the Wall Street Journal that Binance instructed its U.S. customers to use virtual private networks to hide their location. While Binance itself doesn't operate in the U.S., its affiliate Binance.US does. The CTFC's lawsuit reflects a broader federal crackdown on cryptocurrency in the wake of FTX's collapse. This has been your Daily Tech News, and please subscribe and come back tomorrow for more.